Hi, I'm State Senator Betsy Johnson, and I'm here at OMIC, the Oregon Manufacturing Innovation Center, today to bring you greetings on Manufacturing Day. I am so disappointed that we can't do Manufacturing Day in person. I vividly recall being downstairs in the high bay here at OMIC with Congresswoman Suzanne Bonamici and a veritable sea of kids that came from all over the state to be able to think about what manufacturing and career technical education means to them. It was a terrific day, and the energy and the excitement was palpable. But today, unfortunately, because of COVID, we're still here in this virtual environment. It shouldn't, however, dull your enthusiasm for thinking about career technical education and the opportunities that are afforded throughout the continuum. If there are grade school kids watching this, we're going to have programs for you. High school kids, certainly there's lots and lots of your institutions that are investing in manufacturing equipment. We're right across the street from the Portland Community College OMIC Training Center, and the programs here at OMIC just further develop more sophisticated techniques and technology. We want you to think about manufacturing as a career. We want you to think about it as a profession. And part of today is to help excite all of you to think about what you can do with your teachers, with your career technical education teachers, with your colleagues, whether it's robotics, whether it's turning out new products, thinking new ideas, drawing, innovating. There are all kinds of opportunities that will engage your young minds and your outstanding talent in helping to revitalize Oregon's manufacturing landscape, plus bring you lucrative, satisfying, and rewarding professional careers. Thank you for taking part in Manufacturing Day, and best of luck as you get back to your studies this fall. Thank you.